Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Slight chance we could actually see a little bit of rain to start out the day here. We do have some showers that are moving across southern Arkansas, but another warm day for us will likely be trending maybe a degree or two cooler than yesterday, but most of us still in the mid-90s this afternoon, so kind of a hot day. No heat advisory again today, but either way, we'll probably still see those heat indices in the upper 90s when you factor in the high humidity. You can see some of these showers moving across Arkansas at the moment here. The short-term forecast models actually do show some of this holding together, maybe making its way as far south as Interstate 20. I'll show you that in just a moment, but you can see this has kind of popped up. A little wiggle or a little disturbance in the atmosphere here, which is kind of creating those today. And that little wiggle will still be with us through the afternoon today, so even this afternoon we may have a slight chance of rain out there. I think majority of us will stay dry, not see any rain today, but probably a few of us are going to see a few rain showers this morning, especially in Arkansas and Louisiana. Right now your temperatures have settled into the 70s in most spots, and your forecast highs this afternoon should be in the low to mid 90s, so again a degree or two cooler than yesterday. A little consolation again today is it will stay pretty hot out there through the afternoon. So look at your Robin-Studded Futurecast. It does show that rain kind of scooting down through Louisiana through 7, 8, maybe 9 o'clock this morning. I've kind of lowered the rain chance a bit this afternoon, so if the rain chance, we'll say it's 20% this morning, probably more in that 10% category later today, as we could see maybe some rain pop up just north of Interstate 30. So again, the rain today not going to cause too many issues. Should be pretty light accumulations, and we don't expect to see any kind of severe weather, but maybe again just some gusty winds if we get any thunderstorms going. Speaking of the weather here, let's look down in the Gulf of Mexico. Here's our 90% chance of tropical development here, either tropical depression or tropical storm, most likely Claudette here maybe later today or tomorrow. It's still kind of hanging out here just off the area of landmass down in Mexico and South America. So what we're looking at is this thing starting to move north in the upcoming hours here. So at some point today it's going to start its northward turn here, and you can see the forecast models are split. We've got about half of them that take it over into Texas and another half of them take it into southeast Louisiana. We're just kind of in the middle of both of those paths here. So the thinking right now is that we'll take kind of more of that easterly path through southeast Louisiana. So we still have some rain in the weekend forecast. I'll show you that now. See the cloud cover kind of taking over on Saturday, and this would be one of those outer bands from what will probably be tropical depression or tropical storm Claudette as it makes its way inland here. So again, not much rain Saturday. Really doesn't look like we'll see too much rain on Sunday, but there's still some wiggle room here where the forecast could change, given that there is a lot of uncertainty whether this thing will go west or east. Make sure you are checking back for updates, but right now I would still expect most of the rain with this system will occur on Saturday. So I'll show you a few different forecast models. This is our in-house model here, which is showing less than a quarter inch of rain in all areas, so that wouldn't cause us too many issues. And here is the GFS, or the American model. We'll take this into early next week. We actually have a front that will come through on Monday and add some additional rain here, but the bottom line, it shows the heaviest rain kind of staying off to the east of us, and with that tropical system up across Alabama, Georgia, and up into the Carolinas. So again, just about anything can play out here. We'll likely be dry in most areas tomorrow. I've put those rain chances just in that 30% category Saturday. I still think we'll see that number go up or down here in the upcoming days. Still looks like Father's Day going to be a pretty decent day. And there's our cold front Monday, Tuesday. Looks like there will be an increasing chance of rain late Monday and especially into Tuesday, and maybe some of that rain lingering midweek. This will be definitely a heat breaker for us, as we should see the highs drop back into the 80s behind this front by the middle of next week.